Okay, so I'm working on a little bit of an experiment today. I'm filming this with my camera. So about a new screen, I have an external microphone. So in this way I can make more beautiful, rich images. Yeah, for today I want to show you around all the animals we have here at our farm. Let's go. Tutti quanti fanno inginocchiare. Alzati e balla contro mano. Questa nuova rumba magica. Rumba, rumba magica. Okay, so we have a whole lot of chickens. We have 2 bunnies. We have pernice. I forgot the name in English. We have, I think, 5 turtles. 3 adult peacocks. 1 male, 2 female. 4 baby peacocks and a duck who thinks she's the mom of the peacocks. And a whole bunch of white, crazy, small chickens. Then we have 2 dogs, Mena and Terra, and 3 cats, which I never seem to be able to find. So, those are the animals in our nice little farm. Another amazing fact of this place, I think, is that it's so green up here. Unfortunately, in the summer this is a very, very dry area, but other plants and grass, it needs water. So one of the things Mandy and I help sometimes with here is planting the waters. That's what I'm going to do now, just before the amazing sunset. Porta via le lacrime alle spose, fra le baracche di questa città. Rumba, rumba magica. Rumba rumba mistica.